Hi, welcome. This is the 8th exercise in the Zhan Zhuang Qigong system. This exercise is called playing the Pipa, or sometimes known as playing the lute. It's another posture that's out of Tai Chi forms, and especially the Yang form. And it's done, and all the weight's on one foot again for this. It's changed, the heel's on the ground. So we're going to move off to the right hand side first, facing towards the right, bring our left. And we bring our hand. Now we're going to have the same hand as the same foot this time. Yeah. Remember before when we had brush knee, we had opposite hand. This time we have same arm, same leg, facing forward. But this time the heel's off the ground. Or sorry, the heel's not on the ground. The toes off the ground, and the hands are there. It's like you had the neck of the lute. A pipa's like a big, like a violin, not a violin, cello, like big cello. It's like playing the strings of it. So your hands are right facing towards each other, holding that posture. Looking forward, the top hand's about eye height, and that posture. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows, and you're looking forward. And all the weight's on the back leg again, and you're holding one leg posture. Breathe in, long, slow breath in, long, slow breath out. And we only hold this for a couple of minutes as well. Bring the hands down, bring the right foot in, we're going to step off to the left, hands come up, sitting down. On the heel of the left leg, two hands. Remember the hands are facing towards each other, don't have the hand facing front, it's towards each other. Relax your shoulders, bring the elbows down, don't have the elbows out, bring them down, shoulders relaxed. Looking straight ahead, long breath in, long breath out. All the weight's on the back foot. The heel's just not resting on the ground, but there's no weight in this. Keep your back nice and straight. Big thing with this was to make sure that you don't either lean back or you don't lean forward. And the way to do that is you tuck your bum underneath and tuck your bum, because you get this back leg's bent, and keep your back nice and straight. We'll do this for a couple of minutes as well. And then bring the hands back, bring the foot back to the side, both palms back towards the ground. This exercise is good for the digestion action. You'll see in the medical applications digestion, it's good for the spine. Okay, we'll see you on the next exercise. Bye-bye.